Let's learn a new Spanish verb, desconocer. Desconocer. Do you know the meaning of this? Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is going to be a Spanish verb. The Spanish verb of the day is desconocer. Desconocer. This is an irregular verb. Desconocer means to not know or to not recognize. This is quite interesting. It's pretty much the opposite of knowing and recognizing. Let's see a few examples using desconocer. Te desconozco con ese corte de pelo. Te desconozco con ese corte de pelo. You look very different. María desconoce por qué su relación no funcionó. María desconoce por qué su relación no funcionó. Desconozco tu edad. Desconozco tu edad. How old are you? Miguel desconoció a su mamá. Miguel desconoció a su mamá. Maybe she got a new haircut as well. Mis amigos desconocen mis problemas. Mis amigos desconocen mis problemas. I think I need to open up. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to leave more examples down below using desconocer. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!